Welcome to another brand new video. Hope that all of you well and a good time those are watching my video. So right now I am roof of this building. Actually I am here for basking under the sun, and at the same time my cat also here basking under the sun. So right now we are basking under the sun at this moment. So at the same time I am watching the natural beauty of this place. Have a look in front of me. Here is a beautiful canal. Actually this canal going to the river. Have a look some far of me. Here is a Thorak river. My cat are walking. My cat are working at this moment, and my cat finding something like this. So there are so many things around of this house, and have a look beside of this house. Here is a big canal, and next to the canal here is a big paddy field. Next to this paddy field here is a big slant field. Some of people are working on this slant field. Next to the slant field here is another slant field over there. There are so many people are working at this moment on this slant field, and next to the slant field here is a small Amazon, and look at that. So here is there are so many small boat on this small canal. It's really like this kind of place. So we are here for basking under the sun. At the same time we are here for watching the natural beauty of this village. There are so many children are stay here, and they are doing something like that. They are walking, they are playing. Oh my goodness, they are trying to laughing. So yeah, oh very nice. It's really amazing thing, and we are enjoying this kind of natural beauty, and it's really wonderful place. And I have been living here for 2 years, so I have been living here for a long time. So at the same time we are here for 20 minutes. Actually we have been here for 20 minutes for basking under the sun. And my cat, oh Minnie, my cat's name is Minnie. Minnie is also Minnie. How are you? What are you doing? Minnie are very happy to be here, because after a long time Minnie came here. Minnie, so what are you doing? So thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.